Good morning, dear scholarites. This week we had started a new chapter. That is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Thenali Raman and the Great Pandit. In our virtual classes, we had completed the literature part. So I am going to send a summary video in which I am going to tell you about what we have done in this week. So I'm going to explain the new words to you. The first one is miserably. It means badly. In Hindi, it means buri tarha. Then is the word summoned. It means called to be present at a place. In Hindi, it means pukarna ya bulana. Arrogant, very proud. In Hindi, it is ghamandi, abhimani ya ahankari. Then is the word debate. It means discussion. It means to discuss something with the other person. बहस करना, वाद विवाद करना या विचार विमर्श करना. Then is the word curious. Curious means eager to know. जानने की अभिलाषा रखना. Then is appreciate. It means to praise or appreciated means means praised. प्रशंसा करना या सराहना करना. Then is stumped. Stumped means confused. चकरा देना. Now students, I am going to explain this chapter to you. So what is in this chapter? I had underlined few words. So I am going to tell you about these underlined words in meaning of these underlined words in Hindi also. A long time ago there was a kingdom Vijayanagara. It was ruled by King Krishna Dev Rai. Here the word ruled means shashan karna. One day what happened? A great Pandit came from the neighboring land to visit his court. Court means Raj Darbar. He was very arrogant. He was very proud. He was a ghamandi person, you can say. Arrogant means ghamandi. And said that he was the wisest of all. Wisest here means सबसे ज़्यादा जानने वाला. He declared that he was an expert in all the fields, in every field. He challenged the king, claiming that none of his ministers in the court can defeat him. So the king thought that no, my men are very wise. So he accepted the challenge and he asked his ministers to compete with him. But he was very shocked you can say shocked means surprised. He was very surprised to see स्तंभित होना. Surprise here shocked means स्तंभित. And he was very surprised to see that all the ministers were scared of the competition. They were not willing to compete with the great Pandit. So what happened then? The king, he did not want to accept his defeat, and he quickly means furti se, he quickly summoned his wisest minister Thenali Raman. And now who is Thenali Raman? Thenali being a very wise and clever man. Thenali is a person who is very wise and he is very clever. Wise means buddhiman and clever means chatur. He thought of a plan to debate with the Pandit. What did he do? He took a small bundle. Bundle means he make a gatha. In Hindi, bundle means gatha. He took a small bundle and folded it in shape of a book. So the bundle was in the shape of the book. Then what happened? He tied it up and went to the court. He took that bundle to the court with him and he said that announced means सूचना देना. He said he announced that he was ready to argue with the great Pandit. But only one condition. He said, I have having a condition. मेरी एक शर्त है. Everyone in the court wondered what was the condition. All were surprised that what was the condition. All were thinking in their mind that what is now condition. The king too waited eagerly, and the king was very waiting eagerly. Utsukta se, realizing that Thenali must have devised a very intelligent plan. He was very eager to know that now what Thenali is going to do, and he was sure also that he is going to implement some kind of intelligent plan. उसने कुछ सोच के रखा है. Tenali put his condition forward. And condition means शर्त. Tenali, he said, tell the what was his condition. He said that the topic of the debate would be based on the great book. Now, he said that the bundle he was having in the shape of a book, he said, I want to debate on the topic that are in this book. And what is the name of book? It is Tila Shakta Mahisha Bandhanam. The great Pandit was stumped. He was little bit confused and asked, which book is this? He was not knowing that what kind of book is this. He had never read this book. I have never read this book, he said to the king, and gave him one night time prepare for the discussion. Now he is confused and he said, I had never read this book. So he told the king that he want one night time. But he could not sleep. And now at night, what happened to the great Pandit? He could not sleep and he was continuously wondering. And he was लगातार वो सोच रहा था how to defeat Thenali. That how can he defeat? How can he win and he can defeat Thenali? He could not bear the thought of losing. And he was very, in his mind, he was like that, oh God, I don't want to lose. So he took all his belongings and left the city before sunrise. And what he did, he just packed his bags and just left the city. He just left the kingdom Vijayanagara before the sunrise. He left a message, and before going, he left a letter for the king. My lord, I had never heard of a great book, Tila Shakta Mahisha Bandhanam, so I accept my defeat. I had never read such kind of book, so I am ready to accept my defeat. The next day, what happened? All the ministers and king, they were present in the court, and on the appointed time, the fixed time, the Thenali also appeared in the court for debate. But he was told by the king. Now king told him that the Pandit had already gone away, and he was, as the king was a learned man. Learned here means, learned means the person who knows things in better way. Okay, he wanted to read the great book. He asked Thenali that I also want to read this great book. What is there in this, and how why was that Pandit so was in a hurry that he just left before sunrise? So Tenali laughed and replied. For what he replied? There is no such book called Tila Shakta Mahisha Bandhanam. He went on explain, and he just explained what was inside that bundle. He said, in Sanskrit, til means tila. He put some til in that bundle and some sheep dung, which is called in Shakta in Sanskrit, and then he tied that bundle with the rope that was made up of buffalo's hide, and bandhanam means tying in Sanskrit. So there was nothing in that bundle. It was all til, sheep tongue, and these all things were tied with the buffalo hide. So in the court, everyone laughed loudly, and all were happy to see Thenali's wisdom. Now all know that he was very wise and clever. So they all accepted that he was the wisest among them all. The king appreciated Thenali's intelligence. He praised Thenali, and he which had saved the situation. And he rewarded Thenali with gold coins for his intelligence. So students, watch this, understand the chapter, and do the exercise related to it. Now your literature part is over. Thank you.